he decided he was going to make a dessert. So he scooped it out.
Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
Hello, Wagwan. Pick up yourself, whether you're there yard or you're there abroad. Welcome back to another episode of Life with the Jam Fams. So on today, I just wanted to come on and just share with you some of the shenanigans that we're getting up to at this moment. So it's in Jamaica, it's the run up to midterm break. So, or they call it, midterm break. We're used to saying half-term break in the UK. So they're up to the midterm now. And so some schools are already on it. Some are going to be on it later on this week. And so we've been getting up to a few little things. So one of the things that Eliona wanted us to do was this challenge, because one of our friends is always saying about our taste bud, because we tend to eat spicy things, and so we also like tangy things sometimes. So we decided that we're going to have a go at just seeing how these sweets really are when they say that they are. So we're going to show you that footage now. On today's episode, we're doing a little bit of a collaboration. So with Life with Eliona.
In today's video, we're going to be doing another challenge on sour food this time. Let's see who gets the Jam Fam trophy this time.
So what are the things we're going to have?
We have the sour drink, it's lemon and lime. We have these sour caterpillars. These are mainly candy because that's what we could find. These magic carpets, sour tongues, rainbow belts, sour skittles, and sour fritters. So these are all things that we could find in Jamaica.
Okay, so I want to go away with the trophy this time, so tell me what the rules are.
So we'll have different challenges for each of the candies. For example, this one, the first to finish theirs wins that round. And on other ones, like the sour one here, they can't make any face while they're eating it or consuming it. They have to hold their neutral face. So yeah, or else they would lose.
Okay, so I cannot show any expression that of its tanginess?
No.
Okay. Well,
Or else then you lose and you say that it was too sour for you to handle.
so it's a poker face that I have to use to get this trophy now. Okay then, that's fine.
Well, let's get into it.
So which one do you want to do first?
I want to start with this one because I think it seems the less sour out of all of them.
Okay.
Should I cut it that way or across?
It's fine, whichever way you cut it, how you want to cut it. So are we allowed to just have one?
You can have one or two.
Okay.
But this one we can do the try not to make face challenge.
Okay. I'm going to have two, because, well, I got three, so I'm going to have 3.
I'm going to have 3 then, so it's fair.
Do you think the colors make a difference?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Not yet. Try stone.
Okay, I'm trying the same one as you, the same color as you, because
I don't think we have the same. I have 2 oranges and 1 green.
Do you mind the fact that I touched them? Do you mind if we swap?
Which one?
Is it the same?
Oh, yeah. I can take a red and then you can take an orange. Okay, which one do you want to start with? I think the less sour is probably going to be the red one.
Okay, you
So
want to do
start
that?
with one.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, that's manageable.
That's a good start. Next one, the orange one.
Okay. That one seems a little slightly bit more, or maybe it's because it's already in my mouth. What do you think?
To me it tastes the same really. Let's test out the green one.
That one seems fine. So that was tolerable. So what's next?
So that was the caterpillars, and we're moving to the next candy.
It has a little bit of sour, but it's just mild.
I feel it, but it's not that much. Which one do you want to do next?
I feel like I want to try this because I've not tried it before, just like I didn't try the caterpillar before.
Next we're doing magic carpets, and from the pack it says it's really sour. So,
Do you think it's going to be sour though?
I'm not sure because most things aren't that sour to me.
I'm just going to try 2 of them.
Okay, take your pick.
Because they are all the same color, isn't it?
Yeah.
They're just like...
Custard dots, really.
It seems that way. They look thicker, but I agree.
Ready?
These are a little bit tangier.
Tastes sweet. I don't know if it's just that my taste buds are so used to sour things that I don't taste it anymore. But it's sweet.
I think these ones are a little bit tangier than the caterpillar though.
I did feel more of a tanginess with the caterpillars.
Okay. Well, so far, nobody
Good.
reacted, so we're good.
That was the magic carpet.
Which one next?
Let's do the sour box challenge.
I don't think I'm going to be able to eat a whole sour belt.
So, whoever finishes this one wins this round. Whoever finishes it first. And then, like, when you go to birthday parties, then you have to try and get it into your mouth before anyone else.
I'm absolutely sure I'm not going to get it all, so I'm fine to forfeit this round.
Okay. Whoa, it's actually longer than I thought.
Exactly.
I saw it in the pack at the store, but I didn't think it.
Ready?
You cut yours.
Yeah, I told you I'm not eating all of that. We're ready? Oh my goodness!
It's not that sour, but I still taste a bit of tanginess.
Yeah,
But I finished mine.
I'm fine. I finished mine too.
Do you want to do the drink? Are you okay?
I just realized that I picked it up and I wanted to say I finished mine.
Oh, but you realize that you cut it. So
I knew I
that
cut
means you
it,
lost
but I
this
wanted to
round.
lift it up and say I finished mine. But it ran down the bag because it's a cut end. Okay, what's next?
Let's test the drink.
Okay.
We're gonna share it, so I have a cup. Do you want to cut it? That's really green, and it smells really sour. So
Okay.
I thought it would be the least sourest thing on the table. But I think I was wrong.
Are you ready to try it?
I think so.
3, 2, 1. Did you just make a face? Okay. It doesn't taste as sour as it smells. So, what's next?
Which one do you want to do next?
I'm going to try this.
I
Going
have
to
a
cut
feeling
it?
it's going to be more sour than the belts, even though they're really similar. So I'm going to have one.
I'm going to have a half of one. Ready? This one is the tangiest so far.
This face right there is in my mind.
She made a face, it's in her mind.
It doesn't count like
I need to get back around now.
Well, if you want to win, you have to win the hard candy round. So we've had lots of chewy candy, so we're going to try these.
I think I want to try this first, but which one do you want to try first?
This one, because I know for definite Skittles are sour.
That's why I wanted to try this first. Should I cut it or you want to cut it?
Okay, I'll cut it. Sounds like there's a lot in here when I was taking it.
I'm going to take about 5.
That's a lot. They don't look sour. But it's probably deceiving. It says sour on the pack, but they don't. You took 4? Okay. I took 4 too. So we both took 4. I took 2 green, a blue and a yellow.
And I have 2 green and 2 reds.
I'm gonna just put all of them in.
Unless the sour is on the inside, it doesn't taste sour.
That is not sour. This is probably for like, those sour first timers people. Or first time having sour things, maybe. It is not sour. Probably for little kids, so if they can't handle sour things, but no, it's not sour.
It doesn't taste sour to me.
I think my
So
favorite
far,
things
this is the one
so
that's my
far
soul.
is the caterpillars, but the most sour thing so far is the tower tongues.
I did like the caterpillar as well.
Have to wash it down.
So we're using sour to wash sourdough.
We can't use the water or milk this time because we need to start it up so we win.
Okay.
This
Final
one.
round.
Whoever makes a face or cannot handle the amount that they have in their mouth loses the challenge. Are you ready?
Bring it on.
Should I split it evenly?
I'm having the 5. That's it.
Well,
One of each
we
color.
can do whoever eats the most wins because I know that if we
I'm
do
not
that, I'm
doing more than
going
5.
to. So you're ready to lose then?
Do you want to cut?
Yeah, you can cut there. But I think that you're ready to lose because I eat this all the time. Ooh, there's lots of greens in there.
Okay. This is way more than 5. I don't want any more.
Are you sure?
I'm absolutely sure.
Not even an orange?
Don't want any more. 2. I don't know if you can see it in the background behind me, but over in that space up in here behind me at the moment, you can see the dark clouds. So the rain is pouring somewhere along the horizon. We are experiencing some of the cool breeze now in the afternoon as a result. We haven't gotten any of the rain just yet, but we know that it will be upon us soon as well. So we'll have some of that experience soon. But at this moment in time, we're just looking forward to this midterm break where we can get ahead to do some things in preparation and the run up to the summer term, the summer break. And also Eliona is in the phase now of preparing for her end of year exam, and they had their timetable today, so she's really excited about now fine-tuning her own study timetable. We also are trying to see how we can just down-regulate and just relax and enjoy the atmosphere. And of course, it's getting hot, so we're looking for opportunities to just cool down and chill. So we're just going to show you one of our evenings as we were out and just relaxing and unwinding as well, so that you can have a look at that for yourself too. After a rather hot day today, we decided that we're going to come out. Eliona decided that she wants to come out into our nice little hideaway right out here, where we can be tucked away in the little cove right here, and no one will know that we're here. So we decided to come out, and of course she decided to play Uno. And typical to Uno, just like Monopoly, it keeps going on and on and on. So we decided in the end, after multiple near wins for both of us, that we're going to call that game a night and just sit down, relax, and enjoy the night sky. Really. And that's our view. Look at the moon. Awesome night sky. It's so nice and cool out here now in comparison to what we had today earlier. So now that we've done the game, we're going to play a game of Stuck and Freeze. Any of you out there remember that game where you play a primary school? If you do, say in the comment below hashtag Stuck and Freeze, and we will know that it was something that you've played before. So, but you don't call it that. So what do you call it? What do you know the game as?
Either tag, cross the Golden River, or stuck in the mud.
Okay, so the one we are going to play, but because we don't have multiple people to be on teams to come and freeze you, once you get stuck, you're the one who's now going to.
So it's basically just like two-person tag?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to play. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Bring it on. Because I'm going to win this time. No trophy not involved, but me I go win.
Well, it's time to meet the contestants. Contestant number 1, in all her pride and glory, wanting to win, Kenya! Yay! So what makes you think you are going to win?
Because I have been playing this game for way longer than you have. So therefore, I have a greater probability of winning.
Really now?
Because of experience.
Okay then, let's meet the last contestant.
Contestant number 2. Eliona. So, what do you have to say about this challenge, madam?
I'm winning this because I'm younger, which means I can run faster, and I was on lots of track things so I can run faster. I played this game recently since I'm technically still in my childhood, so I've got this in the bag.
Okay, well, let's put our feet where our mouths at then.
Okay then.
Because I know I've got this and you think you've got this.
Well, I do got this. I even have my running cape to run with me in the wind.
Okay then, well, let's do this. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah?
Up to that line.
Uh-huh.
The line pole, and we can come as far as that gungo tree.
Okay. Are you ready?
Nowhere else.
Are you ready?
I'm ready to rumble.
Ta! Da! Zaha!
I would move and I got caught. Okay.
Wait, where can I run up to? Up there? Up there? How far up there can I run to?
Up to that pole.
Okay.
And you can go behind between the coconut tree and the gungo tree. You can't go behind the gungo, beyond
The gungo tree is this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
I tried to use my weapon!
I caught you. Oh my goodness. So, you caught me, I caught you. Want to do another round? Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Scissors, cut, paper. Okay, let's go then. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Stop! You're it! Let's go! Let's go! Oh my gosh!
I got away from you!
Yes, you have. So, it's 2 to 2. Just wanted to share some of these things that we're getting up to. Today's been a very busy day for me because I had it was my errand day, so I went out and had some time to spend to go and sort out some bills and stuff. And so my father came and he decided that he was going to spend the day with us. So we went out and did some errands and came back, and now we're just relaxing and chillaxing and catching up on old times, which is quite good when you get the chance to reminisce sometimes and find or make that time to be able to do that. So that's also a very good experience that we're having this afternoon. So we're just going to go and enjoy some of those memorable times and create new memories at the same time whilst we are at it. Father came by and we decided that we're going to spend some time together and share a soursop. So I decided I'm just going to have mine like this and eat it. He decided he was going to make a dessert, so he scooped it out. So he's like this, he scooped it out into a container and pour condensed milk on it and mix it like this, and now he's going to eat it. Have you ever done it that way before? How does it taste?
Nice.
I guess that's how he likes it. So thank you again for staying with us on this another episode, and bye for now. See you in the next one.